It's hard to tell, but there's a crack from there all the way down to right here. Okay, so we're getting a window changed out today. We've got a broken window in the house. I think it's from the house settling, not 100%, but we're gonna need some tools. The window's getting dropped off and we're just changing out just the glass. Not too sure, but probably something to pull. I'm gonna maybe pull off the softer mount of that. Like that. Maybe a couple gloves, eh? Let's try that. What are we doing, Gil? We're fixing the window, right? And we're gonna try taking this plastic off to see what in the world made that break right there. And I can't do it from the outside because there's metal flashing around, but maybe we can do it from the inside. How does that pop off, Rosie? Do you know how?
I think we used that.
Okay, I've taken the side 2 pieces of shims out, or the plastic trim off. We've got a shim here. We've got a shim here, and I noticed the crack is right beside it. So let's see, what are we gonna need? An air blower? Yeah, we might need that one. Let's see, do it again. Yeah. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take out the trim up the sides and across the top, take that off, and hopefully we're good. What do you think, Gil? Okay, so let's see if we can get this off. Gil, can you give me a tool? Let's label this as right. Thank you, Gil. Put that on the table right here. Oh, Gil, you're gonna step down. Hey, Oswald, can you come here, bud? Can you move the barbecue on the outside, please? And then I'm gonna have you kind of just push it towards Dad. Oz, take it that way. Okay, that's the top. It appears so. Oh my goodness, you just broke it. Hey, Gil, don't. Yeah, you actually busted it right off. So you snapped it. I don't know what you did. Our little Gilbert just helped us out here. What did you do here, Gil? So let's see. You broke that tool right off, so my sprayer is broken. It was probably ready to get busted off. Okay? Can you do me a favor? Throw that piece in the garbage. Maybe we can just screw this in. There's a couple threads left. There's like 2 or 3 threads left. There. Still good. It's good as new. Just has a little bit of battle wound on it, right? You got a battle wound right there, right? We got the window out with the help of the kids, and we cleaned up. Now we're waiting on the delivery truck. Yep, I see that. I got the old glass out. Just fell right out. Oh. Can I give you the old glass? I do. we're open on the outside. Okay. Does it matter which way's out, which way's in?
Yeah.
It does? Good thing.
Well, I mean, probably right there. You're not going to get a lot of sun, so it doesn't matter. But you should have the coating. Well, I don't know. I don't really run it down to empty, but it's half a tank from the equation that I'm on.
Oh, really?
Maybe less.
Oh, so it's not the best on.
I won't drive up to.
So Ozzy, what this does is this clips in like that, right? And then that goes down.
I didn't know it was like it could fall out.
Yeah, I know. I didn't realize that either. And then you get this other side in as well.
Didn't you install this though?
Yeah, but it comes from the factory, right?
The factory put it in.
And
right?
factory put it in, yeah. Okay, and there's a rubber hammer here. This one.
Stop, guys.
Okay, Steve, you put it back here. So I'm just gonna give it a.
Here, give it a second.
Okay, so that's good. We're gonna do this other side. So there you have it. The window is back in. It only took about 5-10 minutes to actually do the switch out. The J trim just clicks out, clicks back in, and then the window just falls right out. And now the kids are just helping me clean up, get that deck blown off, and we're up and running. So thank you so much for Van Al Windows. That was really appreciated for your help. What do I got there? What are you doing? No, we're not having snacks. We're cleaning up. There we are, out the new window.